Hello, welcome to Coastbusters, busting down the myths and making your daughter's Casio keyboard sound mean as from the bedroom to the stage. Today we are going to speak quickly about the bass tone that the brothers use on the coast when we're playing coastal metal, and we achieve that by using the Boss ODB-3 overdrive pedal or the ODB-3 running through the orange 50 watt and using the Fender Jag bass. Pedal gets a lot of hassles and a lot of fucking shit talk on it. Hey, this fucking pedal will reduce your undies to mince, boy. Make a ham sandwich of fine dining. So toke up, stay off the blogs, and we'll show you how the slow, lazy, can't be fucked, sorting shit out vibe, what that sounds like. Your pedals set at the Coastal Lightning setting. Orange, the water, and